friends, so unlike these other applications which are claiming that you can get paid just by playing games on a given application, so when you go ahead and try all these applications, you come to find out that you really cannot make even a reasonable amount of money. So these applications that I'm going to show you right now, they're really going to pay you real cash, and you can cash out anytime that you want this amount of money that you made from this application. So I tried a lot of applications before, and I did this video about how can you really make money just by playing games on a given application, and I tried it and I made only 11 cents from a given application, and I came to realize, okay, there are other applications that can really pay you reasonable amount of money just by playing games. So in this video, I'm going to show you payment proof on how much can you really make on this application, but also I'll be so happy to show you how do you work with this application for you to get money. So let's dive in. Right now, let me go ahead and show you this payment proof from this game. As you can see here, April 22nd, this game paid $15, and April 17th, $25, April 23rd, $100 from this game. So right now I want you to comment down there your country, where you're coming from, so I can find more ways for you to start making money online. So let's dive in and see our first application that is really going to pay you just by playing games. Our very first website is called Inbox Dollars, and the really good thing about this application is that once you join on this application, you will get $5 completely for free, and you can choose different offers. As you can see up here, you can choose which game that you want to play right now. I'm gonna take and show you this example. So let's say that you choose this game called Dragon Farm Adventure, and once you complete this game, you will get $114. And the very good thing about this platform is that they're just going to give you days to complete this game. You can get 30 days for you to complete this game and withdraw your money, but also you can get 15 days. It just depends on kind of game that you're just going to choose. There are other games you can get up to 60 days for you to complete a certain game. So as you can see down here, there are too many games and too many offers. As you can see here, this one is going to pay you $200, and this one is going to pay you $85 right after completing these games. So I read different reviews and I saw different payment proof from people who are playing this game, and I came to realize that this game is really paying off everyone who is ready to play these games. But the most challenging thing about this game is that you need to hurry up and finish these games before these offers end, because at the end of the time, when you're ready to complete your mission, this offer may be taken down. So it's very good for you to hurry up and finish these offers before the deadlines. All you want to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called Inbox Dollars, and you can sign up, which usually takes like 2 minutes for you to sign up. It's free, and after that you can get paid just by playing different games on this application. This is among the most trusted application. That's the reason I recommend you really have to go ahead and start playing this game and start making decent amount of money from these games. So let's go to our next website. So now we have MetaFi. This platform is very interesting because it's going to pay you $50, and what you're going to do on this platform is very simple. You're just going to teach different people and start making money just by teaching people. So if you're really interested in playing games, and if you know to play a lot of games, it's your time for you to turn your talent into money making method, and you really have to go forward on this application. Sign up on the application and start teaching people. There are a lot of people who need to know how to play games, just like myself. I would be ready to pay for anyone who is ready to teach me how to play games. So you really want to go ahead and join on this platform, because there are a lot of opportunity on this platform, and you can start making decent and reasonable amount of money on this platform. So you have to go forward. So our next platform is called Playtest Crowd. On this application, you will get paid to test different games, and also you have to share your opinion on how you feel about a given game that you have just tested. And just by providing your opinion, how do you feel about this application? How do you feel about this game? If it's a good game, what are the things that you think need to be corrected within a game? And just by providing how do you feel, you can get paid $10 up to $15 on the platform. So this is like the best way for you to start making money, because you really cannot make a decent amount of money, but at least you can make $10 up to $15 within 30 minutes. If you're just going to play for more than 1 hour from this platform, you can get paid up to $50. And I read all the reviews. People are saying that this platform, its payment is fair and good. So you really can go ahead and see how much you're gonna make. So right after joining on this platform, they'll be sending you invitation through your email every single week. So every single week you have to go to your email and see this invitation for you to go ahead and test these games, and after that you can get money just by testing games. So this one is really for you, and I really hope that you are just going to join on this platform right after watching this video. So next on the list we have Game Tester. There are a lot of companies which are willing to pay gamers to test these games before they release these games. So this is the reason they got to this Game Tester, and they want people to test this game, and at the end of the time you can get paid just by testing games. As you can see here, this is a payment proof from this website. $100, $10, $15 per test, and it usually varies from test to test. So if your test is a little complex test, you can get paid a reasonable amount of money, at least $50 per one test, I think. So you can download this Game Test application on App Store or Play Store. Then you have to test in these games, and your payment will be sent right on your bank account. So you don't have to go forward and start making money just by testing games on Game Tester. Alright, so now we have Paidwork. This is an application that you can download on your iPhone or your Android, and this is going to pay you just by taking surveys, watching videos, but also playing games on the application. I have experience on this application, and all I can say is that you really cannot make a decent amount of money from this application. It's going to pay you $2 up to $10, and right after reaching $10 you will be able to withdraw your money from the application, but it's really hard for you to reach $10. So I think this one is very challenging, and I really don't recommend. If you have limited time, I really don't think that this application is created for you. So you can go ahead and try the next website, because this one is going to pay you very not decent amount. So let's go to the next website. Alright, so our next application is called User Testing, and this application is trusted by many companies, many great companies, as you can see here: Canva, GoDaddy. So right after joining on this application, you'll be given this task. You have to screen record yourself on your mobile phone or your laptop while playing this game, and you have to explain how do you feel about a certain game that you're playing right now while you are screen recording yourself. So after screen recording yourself, you have to save this video that you have just recorded. Then you have to submit on this application, and this application are going to review your video. After that you can get paid. So it's very important for you to provide good information, your honest thought about a given game. After that you can get paid from this application. So I read too many reviews on Reddit, and many people, they say that they will get paid at least $100 a month. So this is it for today, and I showed you proof on how much people are making on a monthly basis just by testing games, just by playing games on a given application. And I showed you all these are trusted website. But the website that I really don't recommend people to go ahead and try is that Paidwork is really not going to give you reasonable amount of money. But all these other websites, I read all the reviews, and people, they say that their payments are fair and good. So I did want to tell you one thing. If you're looking for the way to start making extra money online, I did encourage you. You need to consider start learning about new skills, because the only way for you to start making like $2,000 a month, $5,000 a month, is for you to start learning high-paying skills. And I'm pretty sure right now there are a lot of skills that you can learn online, and you can make a lot of money. So you really have to consider start learning new skills, and I really hope that this is really going to help you to make real money. So thanks so much for watching my videos, and I hope that this video is really going to help you in one way or another. So thanks so much for watching my videos, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.